how great my hair looks right now. Doesn't it look great? I feel like it looks so good. Okay, I'm like ready for a date, but I'm single as hell, so maybe not. I look like a Victoria's Secret model. Like, you wouldn't understand. I use a drugstore curling iron, okay, because your girl cannot afford a Hot Tools. What I use is I use the Conair Infinity Pro, and this is the 1.5 inch curling iron. This is a really nice size. You don't have to go to any hairdresser to get your hair to look like this, okay? You just gotta follow an Alexandra tutorial. But yeah, please be sure to follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel because there'll be more videos like this. Anyways, I'm gonna quit talking and we're just gonna go right into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo all over it because this is second day hair. So I just want it to be a little bit more refreshed, okay? Refined. I literally have gone through probably 50 bottles of these. Is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. As you can see, it's all over my hair. I like to do, like, take my fingers and just work it into my scalp. And this gives you a ton of volume. As you can see, I get a ton of volume. I think I'm officially out of this product. And after, as you can see, my hair literally grows into a huge mane. And so I'm gonna go in with my wet brush. This is disgusting, but I'm gonna go with my wet brush and just brush it out. So you want to part your hair right from the get-go. So like right now is when I would part my hair. So I'm just gonna section out my top part here. These longest layers right here, I typically don't really spend that much time on them, only because they will probably most likely fall. Okay, so how I curl my hair is I like to take, for this bottom section, I like to take a big chunk, a third of the way up. I will roll it up and then release it to the second 2/3 of the hair and roll it up. And then I'll slowly release it kind of towards the end, but not all the way, and roll it up. So as you can see, I still have the ends hanging out right here. When you release, don't release the clamp. Just pull it down like this, and then run your curling iron through the ends, and then bam. And that is how I curl my hair. That's how you get Alex's curls. I don't like to touch it at all. I'll just put it in the back like this. I will do the same thing on this side. So as you guys can see with these curls, I'm curling away from my face. I just feel like it looks the best. Okay, so after I finish this section, I'm going to put it in the back. And then I'm going to release. Okay, so this is going to be my last section. It's like a really fast tutorial. I want to part my hair on the left side today. So what I'm going to do when I'm curling is I'm going to put it on the right side, because so then when you flip it back over, it will have a lot of volume. Since you want everything when you flip it over to be away from your face, when you curl it this way, you're going to want to curl in towards your face. So then when you flip it over, it will be away from your face. Does that make sense? So these pieces are not as important. These are just kind of like the pieces that will be under all this hair after you part it. So I'm just going to quickly curl this section right here, push it in the back. Now, this is what is the most important section right here, is this section right here, because when I bring it over, I'm gonna want it to be away from my face. This is how I get a lot of my volume. And then again, I'm gonna curl inwards. When it's cooling, I like to push it on the other side to make sure there's even more volume. I'm just basically gonna go in and keep doing the same exact technique that I've been showing you guys on this side of the hair, except you're just curling inwards. As you guys can see, all this section is curled inwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it back to the side that I want it on, the left side. And you guys will see when you bring it over, it literally has so much more volume. I know, girl. It literally has so much more volume than if you were to just like start off with the left part and just start curling. So this is pretty much what I do to curl my hair. And now I want to show you guys how I do my middle part. So middle part is pretty much the same thing, except I just curl it away from my face on both sides. As you can see, the side is curled. I'm not going to touch it, and I'm just going to finish off on this side right here. Okay, so after you finish curling all of that, I'm going to run my fingers through my hair. Run my fingers through my hair. So, as you guys can see, after I run my fingers through my hair, it looks huge and humongous. It looks like I'm a Victoria's Secret model. Throughout the day, you'll always see me fluffing my hair to make it bigger. You guys will see in my pictures, I always like my front pieces to be like separated from the rest of it. So I'll take my front pieces like this. And bam! That's how I do my hair! And this will usually last me for a couple of days, and my hair is super hard to curl. So that's going to be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So before we leave, I'm going to be doing my Instagram shout out. So if you didn't know, if you follow me on Instagram and you DM me, you could possibly get a shout out from me. So if you wanted to follow me, be sure to follow me right here. Today I'm going to be shouting out Alexa. Hello, Alexa! I thank you so much for your support. You've been messaging me for a while now about your issues and like the problems that you're going through. So I really hope that I can help you in some way, and I really appreciate you supporting me so much, girl. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!